let's begin with installing Python 3.8. To install, you need to navigate to python.org downloads. Okay, this is the main page of download in python.org. You can download it from this button here, and this will download it for Windows if you are using Windows. And if you need to download it for any other operating system, you can do this by clicking the URL. Uh, by default, this is for Windows 32-bit version operating system. If you're looking to download it for 64-bit machine, you can do so by going into Windows and then selecting the relevant version. I've already opened the window for you for 64-bit machine, and this is the executable file for 64-bit Python 3.8 download. So I've already downloaded it for you. Here it is. So once I click this, I've already installed it as well. So once I click it, it will run a setup, and at the end of the setup there will be a checkbox asking you, would you like to add the Python path to the environment variable. You're going to take it with yes, and then it's going to run the whole installation, and at the end it will finish. You see that it's a 32-bit because I have installed a 32-bit version. Okay, I just cancel it. Okay, this is here. I've already installed it, so let's check if it is installed or not. So here it is 3.8.0, and let's check pip version. So it's 19.2.3 and Python 3.8. And after doing this, you also need to update in the system environment variables. So here you will see that it has a path, and I've already added Python 38 and Python 3.8 path to it. So you can see this. So that's already been added. So that needs to be there in order to work with Python 3.8. Okay. Now let's begin with the next tutorial that is going to discuss Walrus Operator in Python 3.8.